Hi, welcome back. In this class, we'll look into three methods on dictionaries. One is items, keys, and values. Items gives both keys and values, and keys will just give keys in the dictionary, and the values will give out just the values in the dictionary. All these three are like will return a view objects, means whenever there is a change on the dictionary, they will be automatically reflected in these objects. Let us see with some examples. We have the dictionary scores. We have three items in that. We can say we can create a view object. We can let us say SV, means scores values. SV scores dot the values method will return a view object. This will be a view object, and if you see what is the SV, these are the values. See the 90, 92 and 90, or these are all values in the dictionary. And suppose if we add one more item to the dictionary, I'll say scores. I'll add a new student, Steve, and let us say I will give him 100. All right. And if you see SV now, SV is a view object on this course. If you see, it's all, it includes this 100 also. The Steve's score also it includes. All right. That's why it's called. That's why it is called a view object. It's a view on the dictionary. And also this SV is an iterable object. Means we can use a for loop to iterate on this object. Let us find the total scores. Let us print what is the scores now. Scores has 4 students with these scores. Let us find the scores or the total scores of all these students. We can create a variable sum equal to 0, and for let us say S for score. In we have the iterable object SV, which has scores. We can say colon sum equal to sum plus S, and the C sum, what is there in the sum finally. And if you execute this for loop, you'll get 372. 372 is same as 92 plus 90 plus 100 plus 90. Those are the scores from here. If you find the total, that will be 372. So by using this iterable object SV, where here we created SV. Suppose if you change one of the scores, let us say if I give like scores Alex equal to, let us say 95, right? And automatically this SV will reflect that change. If you see what is there in the SV, see that change is there, the 95. And if you see this, if we find the sum again, it will be 375 now. 372 was original. We added 3 more points. We got 375. So that's how because it's a view object, the change is automatically reflected in this view objects. So there's another method. That's what we saw, values. There's a method called items. Let us see items. We can create a, for this also we can create an iterable object. This items method will return both keys and values. We can say si scores items. We can say scores dot items, that will return a iterable object. Si is a view, it's a view object. And okay, so let us write a for loop to iterate on this object. I say for key value in si print key space value, and if you execute this one, we get this output. So Tom, see, let us see scores. Tom has 90, that's what we got. Alex 95, Kathy 90, and Steve 100. So even if we change right now, suppose if we change anything on the scores, that that will be reflected in this object. That is, SI is the view object on scores database, scores dictionary. And the last thing is the keys. Keys is also just like values. Keys method that will give all the keys in the dictionary. So say sk equal to scores dot keys, and what is sk? These are the keys in the dictionary, right? And also we can loop by using a for loop for k in sk, just say print k. It will print out all the keys in the dictionary. Just like values, this method will give out all the keys. This is all about dictionary view objects. Also remember, these are iterable objects. We can use a for loop to iterate on these objects. I think we covered enough on dictionaries. We'll stop here, and our next topic is functions in Python. Okay, thanks.